I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Sign into your Samsung account and install any pending system or security updates so Secure Folder runs smoothly. Once done, go to Settings and tap Biometrics and Security. This is where Secure Folder lives. You'll then choose a lock type, PIN, pattern, password, or biometrics, so only you can open it. Make sure you pick a strong option and enable backups. This preserves contents if you reset or switch devices. Once the folder is created, you'll configure it. Select the lock method and enroll fingerprints if you want fast, secure access. Next, add apps. Either install fresh ones from Galaxy Store or clone existing apps so their data stays private inside Secure Folder. Then move Files, open My Files, select Items, tap Move to Secure Folder. This isolates content and stops notifications from leaking in most cases. Make sure to label and organize folders. To finish, enable Secure Folder backups to your Samsung account so you can restore apps and data if needed. Then tweak notification and auto lock settings for a balance of privacy and convenience. Periodically check app permissions inside Secure Folder to avoid data leakage. If you can't open Secure Folder, first reboot, then try Samsung Account Recovery. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to check for interfering apps. Contact Samsung support only after trying these steps to avoid unnecessary resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.